PNC Points Visa Credit Card Review. Watch before you apply. Welcome to our review of the PNC Points Visa Credit Card. This card is designed for individuals who want to maximize rewards on everyday purchases without the hassle of rotating categories or spending caps. Right off the bat, this card offers 4 points per dollar spent on all purchases, making it a solid option for those who value simplicity in their rewards program. There's no annual fee, which is a major plus for those looking to avoid extra costs while still enjoying the benefits of a rewards card. However, the points value is relatively low, with each point being worth about 0.2 cents when redeemed for cash, meaning you'll need to accumulate a significant number of points to see substantial rewards. The PNC Points Visa also offers a decent introductory APR of 0% for the first 12 months on purchases and balance transfers, making it a good option if you're looking to finance a large purchase or pay down existing debt. After the intro period, the APR ranges from 14.99% to 24.99%, depending on your creditworthiness. Additionally, new cardholders can earn a bonus of 50,000 points after spending $1,500 within the first 3 billing cycles, which can be a nice head start on your rewards balance. This card is best suited for existing PNC customers who can take full advantage of the PNC Virtual Wallet's integration, as it simplifies managing your finances and maximizing your rewards. However, if you're looking for a card with a straightforward cashback program or higher rewards potential, you might want to consider other options. The PNC Points Visa Credit Card is ideal for those who value versatility in how they redeem points, with options including travel, gift cards, merchandise, or even applying points toward your PNC mortgage or loan. In summary, the PNC Points Visa Credit Card offers solid, if not spectacular, rewards with no annual fee and a flexible redemption system. It's a great fit for PNC loyalists who prefer a card that offers steady rewards on all purchases and integration with PNC's banking products. However, if you're focused on maximizing cashback or travel rewards, there are other cards on the market that might offer better value. Consider your spending habits and financial goals before applying.